how to add favorite contacts on iPhone iOS 26. So first of all, open your phone application, and then from here we'll get to the contacts page by simply tapping on the contacts icon just like this. And then from here you can tap on the search bar and then search for the person that you want to add to your favorites. So for example, I want this particular person to be added in my favorites. So I'm going to tap on them and open their profile. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of add to favorites. So after tapping on add to favorites, you can now select whether you want to add the message, call or video calls to the favorite. I'm going to go with call, tap on it. And then now you can select whether you want their Viber, WhatsApp or their regular phone number. I'm going to go with the regular phone, tap on it and then select their number just like this. And just like this, here you can see they have successfully been added to our favorites. So in here, if you simply tap on this favorites icon right here, you can now see this person is in our favorite list. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.